Shalom, everyone. Welcome to another episode with Bakaleb Consultant. Today, we are going to discuss the best $1 million business ideas to start in 2026. Oh, yes, friends, if you did not become a millionaire in 2025, guess what? You're still alive. So you have an opportunity to do it in 2026. Every year, hundreds of thousands of new millionaires emerge globally, with the US leading the charge, adding over 379,000 new millionaires in 2024. Can't wait to see the numbers for 2025. That's 1,000 daily. Can you imagine what the number is going to be for 2025? Wow. All right. Before we get into the good stuff, let's go to the better stuff. As always, we start off with a scripture. Proverbs 10:4. He becometh poor that dealeth with a slack hand, but the hand of the diligent make it rich. That means you gotta work, 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 work. Let's go. Which businesses can you start in 2026 to become a millionaire? Technology. The tech sector saw the fastest growth, added 59 new billionaires. I said billionaires, not millionaires, in the year leading to 2025. This was primarily fueled by artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and semiconductor demand. Nvidia, I have stocks in it. OpenAI, Microsoft partnership, Tesla, X.AI, AMD, Snowflake. People invested in those stocks. A lot of people became multimillionaires and the owners became billionaires. Now, you say, okay, those companies are already there. What can I do? Here's what you can do. These are the businesses you can start using AI. AI content creation agency. You can use Midjourney and Canva to create videos, ads, blogs, and graphics for your business. AI automation setup services help small business automate emails, scheduling, invoicing, and customer follow-up using Zapier. And another app called Make. App reselling, white label apps. You use white label software to sell fitness apps, booking apps, delivery apps, etc. Tech repair and refurbishing, buy broken devices, repair and resell for the profit, and do online course or digital product creation. Next, manufacturing. Ranked highest for creating the newest billionaires. Yes, I know this video said millionaires, but I'm giving you billionaire ideas. Over the past decade, from 2014 to 2024, this was particularly done in India and China. So don't you want to be the first in America? You have manufacturers for Apple devices create multiple billionaire families. BYD China electric vehicle manufacturing boom created major wealth. Tata Group in India, Adani Enterprise in India. Now, what can you do? You don't need a large factory. Start small with micro manufacturing, home-based production, or contract manufacturing. Private label products. Work with a co-packer to produce spices, sauces, teas, or snacks under your brand. Cosmetic manufacturing. I have Batkale Beauty, which is a facial spray that smooth out your skin, give you a nice glow. It helps with pimples. It's perfect. So you can do stuff like that. Facial spray, hair oils, body butters, or soaps. T-shirt and apparel printed. Use heat press or print on demand for custom clothing, candle and fragrance manufacturing. That's high profit and home friendly production. Yes, I do a lot of candles, or a family do it, like the scented one. 3D printing business create custom parts, accessory, or gifts. Do you know they even have 3D printed meat and food and furniture? Get into business. Next, financial services. This is a top industry for millionaires due to its role in managing global capital, with fintech showing significant growth. And of course, JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs, they're the big dogs in this industry. Investment banking, wealth managers. They generate high income and bonuses. Look at PayPal and Block, which is Square. Fintech leaders expanding digital payments. Revolut, one of Europe's fastest growing fintech companies, and Robinhood. Robinhood created so many young millionaires during the tech market rallies. I have Robinhood. Yeah, I have different investment stuff. But what can you do? You don't need to be a bank. Just provide services around money. Credit repair agency help people clean up their credit, increase their score, and dispute inaccurate things on their credit report. Bookkeeping, financial coaching, budget consulting. For example, I have an app called Budget Comma. It's a budgeting app. Download it on the App Store. You can teach people saving and planning. And when you open up your financial coaching business or your budget consulting business, don't forget to download the app. You can send me a message and I will give you a referral fee. You can do tax preparation services, seasonal, profitable, easy to start with certification. The certification is easy. If you want to know, contact us at Buckle Consulting. We'll tell you how to do it. Loan packaging consultant. Yes, I am certified to do taxes. I don't do it, but I like to get certificates. Loan packaging consultant help businesses prepare for bank loans or grant. Yes, Buckle Consulting can show you how to get that done. Real estate is a consistent source of wealth through leverage and appreciation with strong performance in markets like India. You have DLF in limited in India, equity residential in the US is multifamily using REIT with long-term stable returns. If you want to know investing, how to invest in REIT, contact Backup Consultant. We'll tell you. Blackstone Real Estate, that's US. Local examples, apartment developments in Orlando, Atlanta, Dallas, and that create new millionaires. Real estate, yes, it's never dead. Now, you don't need to own a building to start making money in real estate. You can do Airbnb, short-term rental, real estate wholesaling, find discounted homes, put on a contract, and sell the contract to investors. Contact us if you want to know how. Property management company, manage rentals for busy landlords, cleaning and turnover service at Airbnbs, simple startup with recurring income. Mobile notary, loan signing agents, work with title companies, very high income and low cost to start. Man, you're just letting the millions and millions of dollars go out your window. I am generating all that wealth. Yes, I am giving you the ideas. Take it. Healthcare. This remain resilient no matter what. When the economy is high or low, you need healthcare. Right now, the big dogs are Moderna and Pfizer, United Health Group, and DaVita with Intuitive Surgical. These ones right here, billions and billions, billions of dollar wealth, healthcare wealth. What you can do, you don't have to be a doctor or nurse. What you can do is non-medical home care emergency. You're talking about companionship, cooking, transportation for seniors, medical billing and coding services, remote based and extremely high demand, home health staffing agency, recruit nurses and CNAs and provide them to healthcare facilities, medical transportation, transport patients to appointments. Health and wellness coaching, you talk about nutrition, lifestyle, weight loss, stress management coaching. Oh my gosh, this is so big right now. That's $1 billion business. One of the things too in the East, like Dubai, they're so big onto health and wellness. And that's here too in America. So get on it. If you want to know where to invest, contact us. Want to start a business but don't know the next step? Contact Back Caleb Consultant, the real Back Caleb Consultant at gmail.com or consultant at backcalebconsultant.com. Go online at backcalebconsultant.com and you can sign up from there. Praise Yahweh. Shalom, shalom. Until next time. You know what? And if I left anything out, please put it in the comments, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Talk to you soon.